Okay, it's about 2 hours later. Let's check on the progress. We got cross members. Got little sparrows up there. You can see between the roof. They call them burung gereja because they're birds of the church. That's what they call them. Burung is bird and gereja is church. Hah?
Air putih.
Apa?
Air putih.
Ya.
Dingin ya?
Ya.
Oke.
Panas ya?
Mana gini pas kan?
Panas ya? Panas?
Hah?
Panas?
Enggak. Ini Mister pas kan? Jadi saya potong lagi. Biar bisa masuk.
Ya. Bagus, lebih bagus ya. Makasih ya.
Kalau anti kayak gini,
ya.
burung kalian tadi ya.
Betul. Ya.
Pas itu Mis. Tapi
Good job. Ya.
tapi lama lagi ini Mis.
Hah?
Apa kan?
Apa?
Agak lama kayak gini. Buat kayak gininya mau.
Ya.
Gak apa-apa agak lama.
Ya, sama ini bagus ya. So what he did is he made this, he cut out part of the support to make it flush with the ceiling, which is really a good job. Better than I probably would have done. So anyway, the next goal is to change this out later on both sides. So anyway, yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's gonna be super strong hopefully when it's done. So, okay. Hello, Amy. You are drying the clothes, yeah? Drying the clothes. Ini apa bahasa Inggris? Skirt, yeah, or dress. This is a dress.
No,
Yeah.
dress.
Yeah, any dress, a skirt.
No, ini.
Dari sini,
Iya.
skirt. Okay. With a zipper, that's kind of weird. This one, t-shirt.
Hah?
T-shirt.
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 Shirt.
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 Shirt. Yeah, t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Yeah. All right. And this is a dress.
Dress.
Yeah. And semua pakaian apa? Clothes.
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 Have a th.
Clothes.
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 Yeah. Anyway. All right. Good job, Amy. This one, isn't that nice? This one is Dina's or yours?
Iya, Dina.
Dina. Yeah. Nice Chinese-looking dress. We don't have any work for the young guy. At least not yet. So he's just waiting there, hoping for work. I want to take all these windows out because inside there's a lot of rust. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some cold water for the guy.